Wherever you're headed, whatever you've got planned, the new Kia Carens comes complete with fresh styling, advanced technology, and plenty of ideas for an exciting journey. It's available as a 5 or a 7-seater, so there's plenty of room for friends, family, and everything you need along the way. From the striking new grille and the 18-inch alloy wheels to the bold rear lamps, the Carens makes a powerful design statement that challenges the MPV category. Inside, you'll find even more inspiration. The new center fascia includes the latest 8-inch touchscreen navigation system with Kia's connected services, including live traffic updates and points of interest. The navigation system is also compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, while the JBL premium sound system creates a great music experience. The Carens keeps everyone happy. Inspiring design is matched with comfortable, heated seats. And for maximum flexibility on any adventure, all rear seats slide and fold individually. This means you can easily transform the versatile 7-seater with a 103-litre loading capacity into a 2-seater with a 1,650-litre loading capacity. The new Kia Carens also comes with a wide range of innovative technology to keep you safe. The lane departure warning system alerts you if you drift off course, while blind spot detection warns you about vehicles in your blind spot. Also, the speed limit information function is a handy way to remind you of current speed restrictions. And when you get to your destination, the smart parking assist system does all the work for you. For extra comfort and safety when reversing, the rear cross traffic alert warns you when a vehicle is approaching or if there's an obstacle behind you. So you see, nothing can get in the way of enjoying an active lifestyle with the new Kia Carens.